This is the latest SUV in the Mercedes-Benz lineup, and it's called the GLB. Today, we'll do a side-by-side comparison showing you the cargo space, practicality, operation, and pricing of the smallest Mercedes-Benz with a third row. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you my thoughts on whether it's worth the extra cash. Hello, my name is Garrett, and I'm the Automotive Guru. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more on how your Mercedes works, news on upcoming models, and all other Mercedes stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Let's begin in the cargo area. As you may be able to tell, we are currently looking at the model that does not have the additional seating in the rear. It is said to have approximately 24 cubic feet of cargo room, which would be comparable to other luxury SUVs in this segment. Although looking at it in person, it does look very comparable to the size of the GLC. But this has a secret. We are actually able to lower this bottom floor here by approximately 4.5 to 5 inches, which is not possible in the GLC. Not to mention the adjustable second row, which if moved forward, can provide extra space. Although you would not want to be the one sitting here. As we transition to the optional third row, we will notice that it is completely flat and offers the same amount of cargo room as the other model. This does not allow us to drop the floor down though, the 4.5 to 5 inches. Instead, we have a little area here for cargo storage, which includes the cargo cover and other small items. We do have the ability though to still adjust the second row forward. Now let's look at the process of using the third row seating for passengers. In order to do this, we will start in the second row here and adjust this seat forward. To do this, we will pull up on the metal lever on the underside of the seat and pull the seat forward. Now we will move to the rear portion of the vehicle. And once we're in the rear of the vehicle, we will pull the red strap located towards the bottom of the seat. We will pull this once and release, which will release the seat itself, and then we will pull the black tab to lock it into place. Now, on the passenger side, we can pull the lever on the top of the second row seating to allow us easier access into the third row. Now that I'm back here, you can really tell that there isn't much space. I'm about 6 foot tall, and I wouldn't even want to be in here in a pinch. This is mainly designed for very young children, and while getting in and out for adults is difficult at best, it really shouldn't be an issue for children. Now, just as putting up the third row is a process, putting it down is also. So we will start this by pulling the red tether located at the bottom of the third row seating. We will pull this once and release, and then allow the seat to fall. We will then give it a hard push and it will lock into place. After we have locked the third row in place, we will move on to the second row here and push the seat backwards. Then we will locate the pull bar under the second row and give it a good push to put it back into its normal seating position. Now that we have seen the differences in space and operation, we should probably address price. The pricing on the third row package is $850. Now my final thoughts, you either said, wow, that's expensive, or that seems reasonable. And I believe in that moment, you decided whether this option is for you. I also think both reactions can be justified. You see, the GLB starts at an MSRP of $38,000, which means that the third row seat equates to about 2% or less than the total vehicle cost. While $850 is $850, I think that many new families can justify this cost. On the flip side, if you're looking to occasionally or full-time transport adults, I think you need to look at a different model. Comment down below and tell me whether you chose to go for or to not go for the third row seating.